Okay, for our last topic in grammar, we are going to dive a little bit deeper into nouns. These nouns are going to be called indirect objects. Now at this point you guys know that the subject performs the verb. The direct object receives that verb, that action. So the direct object is the thing that gets hit or gets kicked, right? The indirect object is going to receive the direct object. Ugh, what does that mean? Alright, well, we're going to dive in. Whenever you give something to someone, alright, so the platypus gave some cheese to the car. Car is going to be your indirect object there. Why? Because the platypus is doing an action, so the platypus is the subject, gave. The thing that was given is the cheese, so cheese is our direct object. And that direct object was given to the car. So, car received the direct object, received the cheese, and car becomes our indirect object. It's still a noun, but it has a fancy name. Or, Fredina sent the signal to her friend. So, Fredina is our subject, the verb is sent, the thing that was sent is the signal, and the person who received the signal is her friend, right? So friend is going to be our indirect object. It received the direct object of the signal. So, indirect objects. Whenever you give something to someone, or if you do something for someone, we can also have an indirect object. For example, Charles created a plan for Sarah. Charles is our subject. Created is our verb. The thing that was created is a plan. So plan is the direct object. And then this plan was created for Sarah. Alright, so Sarah is going to be the recipient of that plan. Sarah is going to receive the direct object, which is the plan, making Sarah the indirect object. Or, the crocodile made a cake for his mom. The crocodile is our subject, made is our verb, the cake is the thing that was made, so cake is the direct object, and then the thing that's going to be receiving that direct object, receiving that cake, is the crocodile's mom. So, his mom becomes our direct object, receiving the direct object, which is cake here. So, whenever you give something to someone or do something for someone, that is an indirect object. We're going to practice a bunch with this. Ready, set, go.